Atlanta Mayor Andre Dickens says that a take-home car program for police officers will boost the public safety effort.
And today, Atlanta Police Chief Darin Schierbaum handed out car keys to officers who will patrol in a newly designed APD vehicle. Fox 5's Morse Diggs has details.
So the look of these new cars, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stripes in the design. That's for the zones, all 6 zones in the city.
Let's take a look at the new fleet of vehicles by the Atlanta Police Department. Let's unveil the car.
With the fanfare of a national car show, Atlanta officials showed the new black APD cars with the new logo. Atlanta asked art students to put their skills to work, and here's the winning design.
We're changing things up from blue to black.
The event Wednesday morning about more than just cosmetics. The cars are part of a first-ever take-home program that leaders believe will pay dividends in Atlanta neighborhoods.
If a would-be criminal were to see a police car parked in a driveway or inside of a parking deck, they're much less likely to commit a crime.
And be a plus for the rank and file.
It's a morale booster for the officers.
Veteran cop Kirk Bradshaw all smiles when he received his keys.
Once I start work, I could get right into work, whereas before we had to wait for the previous watch to receive a vehicle. If they was on a late call, then you have an officer that'll be on duty but just waiting at the precinct.
When we look at the number one reason officers want to stay with the Atlanta Police Department, a take-home car is at the top of the list. And so today we're checking the box on the number one item.
This model here is the first to hit the street, but the chief told me that given the availability of cars nationwide, he is not opposed to mixing models, so you may see Dodges and other models on the street representing APD. From Northwest Atlanta, I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5 News.